Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about, yes, swing trading stocks. But, as of today, right now, we did cover a couple of positions that we entered over the past couple of weeks. And I honestly wanted to make a video explaining what happened. And we did take a new position today, but on something that we haven't done in a while. We shorted. So we're going to be talking about pretty much our strategy, our approach. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school because we have our Black Friday sale for 51% off. So let's go. That is the biggest sale we've done. So make sure you guys check it out. Code Black Friday for 51% off. So hit that like button, subscribe. And the thing about the course, guys, is it's a course, right? And what I mean by that is we actually teach you to trade. We don't believe in alerts or getting rich quick. We understand that trading is a job. It's a career. You got to treat it like one in order to be successful. So check it out down below. Use that code and let's jump into this here. So as of right now, we did cover profits on KFY. Now, the reason why we did that is one, the stock popped up, right? We were up, about 12% or so. Looking at the daily chart, you guys will notice, we'll break it down super quick here. Let's move myself to the side. Well, you guys will see beautiful trend, as you guys can see, heavy support along this trend line where it hits that each and every time we get good buying pressure. Took a nice trade. It was undervalued on the RSI, popped up, got into a little overvalued spot with the RSI, trading for about an 80, which is historically an overvalued spot for a company to be in on the RSI. So we decided to hold it for a couple of days to see if we could get some sort of breakout to push it further. Looking at the daily, you guys can see it was just kind of going flat. We did have this huge dip after hours, which did cause a little, for me to not panic, but go, okay, maybe it's time to sell. And so as of right now, the stock did dip down below some of my stop loss levels, and we just decided to say, hey, we're up 12% on this trade, a little over 1,500. Let's just move on to another opportunity. Now, the other opportunity that I saw, we were looking at, for those of you that know, we were looking at a couple of positions. We were looking at ticker symbol EVA here. Wasn't a big fan of this. It was kind of hoping to get a breakout there, and we were hoping to get this trend line going in this direction. Didn't really happen, which is fine. Didn't happen, and I had a high indication of that just by looking at like the minute chart. And normally I don't, but I decided to say, okay, if it kind of pops up, we can get that buying pressure in that direction. And even on the 5-minute, right, you guys can see it kind of just sold off down below those lines. Wasn't a huge fan of it. 15-minute, the exact same situation here where it just wasn't trading above these moving average lines, right? So now I go, okay, what is a stock that I think could be overvalued? Now I'm looking and I see Tesla. Okay, I see Tesla start breaking down through these points, right? Through that 90-day moving average line, and we decide to go, okay, the stock has squeezed up in the matter of a couple of days. Let's go ahead and see here, right? We decided to say, okay, the stock has squeezed up 68% in a couple of days, not off of anything crazy, and since the earnings 56%. So 56% growth off speculation. Nothing to do with the company, nothing to do with any revenue forecasts. So we decided to take a short trade. Shorting is betting for the stock to go down in value, right? So my thought process was this, right? If we go back and we enter on the breakdown here, let's go ahead. And we enter on the breakdown. We keep our stop loss just below or just above that for a price back down to at least around here. 3-to-1 risk and reward. And obviously, if we go and look at like the hourly time frame here, this was a main reason why we decided to enter this short here, was because, let's see if we can draw this out, because of this trend kind of breaking down through that point. Let's remove this. Let me just redo it here. So this trend was pretty much just breaking down right there. So you guys can see that had that nice trend line, but it just broke through that trend. This represents a change in direction. Okay, little different point than normal. Normally we go long on a position on a breakout. This is a breakdown, so we easily could see sell off down to 310 to possibly in the 290 range. For me to actually go heavy in on a long position with this trade, I do think that it would be near and around like the 230 range for me to buy it. But right now, I just think it's a little overvalued. We decided to go with a short and let this thing ride. So guys, this is a little update on our account. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, check out our school. Code Black Friday, 51% off, and we'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.